Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can view the matches record of your game. So I made this video is for new player or the beginner that are new into this game. Previously this game is a FIFA mobile, but right now it's become EA Sport FC Mobile 24. And let's get started by tapping the play button and tap this one, manager mode, for example. So you can view your matches history or matches records in division rival manager mode by tapping this one, your rank, and this in this square, this is your rank, and this is your league and full leaderboard, and also tap this icon. This is your history match. As you can see, I'm lost, win, loss, and draw. And also you can see the details here, like a friend. You can make a friend request or tap the match detail here. For example, this one, you can see the match detail, like match stats also, and goal history, and also the rate of the player, rating player per match. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the button below. Enjoy the game.